This footage will show the UFO technology executing unearthly maneuvers over Myrtle Beach. The first exposure shows a brightly illuminated retractable cover in the center of the UFO, which appears to be opening. The next exciting footage will be the opening of the retractable cover, showing what the technology inside looks like. And finally, you will see an unseen maneuver of the UFO raising up from its base and illuminating a snow-white glow. Now, let's view some close-up footage of this amazing technology. What questions are going through your mind? What type of research and development was applied to build and support this amazing machine? Will our society be capable of building such technology in the future and provide the capability to explore beyond our planet? If this content excited you, like, subscribe and share this with the world. If you enjoyed this content, like, subscribe and share.